On today's video, we're going to be testing out a wireless magnet foam mount by Tesery.com. So a great company that sells accessories to build your Tesla in one stop. It's currently on sale, $45.99, on sale for only $22.99. There's an affiliate link down below. Definitely check it out, click the link, and get a discount on any of these Tesery accessories. Welcome. I'm going to do a review of a new Tesery product. Check out Tesery.com. They do a lot of Tesla accessories, and today I just got this in the mail, and so I'm going to go ahead and open it up and show you how easy it is to get it going, install it, and then we'll do maybe some FSD rides and kind of review it and see how great it is. So here we go. Packaging here looks pretty well packaged. Maybe a little too well packaged, but definitely don't want it to get damaged in shipping, so that's great. All right, here's the product packaging. It's a magnetic wireless charger holder. It says exclusive for IP12 and 13 series. So should be able to charge, and looks like you can also use it on other devices as well. But this is going to be perfect for the Tesla. It'll go right here. I believe you can also do a vertical mount or a horizontal mount. So let's get this unpackaged and we'll get it installed. All right, so it looks like there is an adjustable length right here, but once you take this off, you do want to make sure that you mount it exactly where you're going to want that that mount, right? So make sure you get it correctly. That way it's not behind the steering wheel, or it is where you actually want that device. So just make sure that you really test it out and see where you're going to apply it before you stick that on. So it comes with these pads, these cleaning pads. You want to make sure you do clean the back of the screen right here. Make sure that's real clean before sticking it on. Very easy. Can't mess this up. 1 and a 2. Start with 1, then do 2.
Very, very simple.
Clean off the first. There we go. Nice.
And number 2, right here.
Just dries it off. So now we're just going to go ahead and take this off. We're going to line it up right. And looks like I'm going to need it to go all the way to the very top. That way when it's like this, it's right there. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and I think start it like that. So I know how far in to go this way. And then I know it'll be at the very top. All right, so here we go. And we're just gonna give it one go. All right. Nice and slow. right there. All right, looks good enough. I'm gonna apply some pressure. And it says, please rest 30 minutes to let the adhesive truly develop. Or it's upside down, so it's kind of hard to read, but there we go, should be good. I'm gonna take this off. Let's see if I can read it this way. Please rest 30 minutes to let the adhesive fully developed. Yeah, that's just what it says. And then it says, please confirm the location and then paste it. Otherwise, it will affect the secondary use. All right, so I got my magnetic phone holder set up, and I'm gonna go ahead and throw on some YouTube here. You don't need to hear it, but let's see how it works. Looks pretty good. Don't look at that. All right, I gotta go get my kid from school. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit that up right there. Close the garage, we're off. There you go, that's pretty nice. Yeah, pretty good, pretty good. All right, there we go. Now I'm gonna go ahead and see how it does this way. All right, that was pretty smooth. There you go. Nice. Now we can watch videos while we're on FSD. Awesome. That's a win-win right there. My first impressions here for the magnetic cup holder by Tesery is it's great. Easy to install, works great, works as definitely as described. magnetic ring for your phone, stuck on well. Seems like it works really well. Works in both angles. It's very smooth when you move it. Both angles work great. So yeah, win-win for the magnetic holder.